Have you ever stood in front of a gleaming counter surrounded by beautifully packaged jars and bottles, each promising to turn back the hands of time? The skincare industry has masterfully crafted a narrative that convinces us that the secret to youthful, radiant skin lies within these expensive, chemically complex formulas. We are led to believe that a higher price tag equates to greater efficacy, and that a long list of unpronounceable ingredients signifies advanced scientific breakthroughs. This is the great skincare deception, a marketing marvel that has disconnected us from the true, elemental sources of beauty and vitality. The reality is that many of these coveted creams and serums are filled with more than just hope. Synthetic fillers, artificial fragrances, harsh preservatives, petroleum-derived compounds. These ingredients may offer a temporary illusion of smoothness or hydration, but they can disrupt your skin's delicate microbiome and compromise its natural barrier function over time. Instead of nourishing your skin, they can create a cycle of dependency, where your skin forgets how to hydrate and protect itself. It's time to question what we are truly feeding our skin, and to look beyond the clever marketing to find authentic, life-giving solutions. True radiance is not something that can be manufactured in a laboratory and sealed in a plastic jar. It is a reflection of your body's inner harmony and its connection to the living world. The most potent skincare ingredients are not synthesized, they are grown. They are the pure, unadulterated oils pressed from seeds, nuts, fruits, brimming with the life force of the plants from which they came. These botanical oils work in beautiful synergy with your skin's own biology, providing the essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants it needs to thrive, heal, and regenerate naturally, without the burden of synthetic chemicals. This journey back to nature is not about rejecting science, but about embracing a deeper, more ancient wisdom. The secret to timeless beauty isn't a secret at all. It has been whispering to us through the rustling leaves of trees and the rich bounty of the earth. We simply need to quiet the noise of the commercial beauty world and learn to listen again, empowering ourselves with simple, pure, profoundly effective botanical treasures. Coconut oil is one of nature's most generous gifts, a true superfood for both the inside and outside of your body. Cherished for centuries in tropical cultures for its remarkable healing and beautifying properties. This fragrant, luscious oil is predominantly composed of medium-chain fatty acids, such as lauric, capric, and caprylic acid. These unique fats are deeply moisturizing and possess powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory qualities, helping to calm irritated skin and protect it from environmental aggressors that accelerate aging. Imagine your skin cells as tiny, thirsty sponges. Coconut oil provides the deep, cellular hydration they crave, plumping them from within and softening the appearance of fine lines and crepey texture. Unlike many water-based moisturizers, coconut oil creates a delicate, protective barrier on the skin's surface. This barrier locks in moisture, preventing transepidermal water loss and keeping skin supple and dewy. Sustained hydration maintains elasticity and resilience, the cornerstones of a youthful complexion. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants, including ferulic and caffeic acids, that help neutralize damaging free radicals. By protecting your skin's precious collagen and elastin fibers, it preserves firmness and structure. Proactive defense is more effective than repair, making this humble oil a powerful tool for graceful aging. Its molecular structure allows ready absorption, delivering nourishment to where it's needed most, fortifying your natural lipid barrier. Stronger, more resilient skin stands up to daily challenges. Integrating this simple, pure oil is a return to a fundamental truth. Nature provides elegant, effective solutions for our well-being. While coconut oil offers profound hydration and protection, castor oil brings an equally powerful set of gifts. Derived from the seeds of Ricinus communis, this thick, viscous elixir is revered for healing and regeneration. Its uniqueness comes from ricinoleic acid, nearly 90% of the oil, responsible for extraordinary rejuvenating properties. A remarkable anti-inflammatory agent, it soothes skin and reduces puffiness, especially around the eyes. Ricinoleic acid penetrates more deeply than many oils, carrying healing benefits into lower epidermal layers. It stimulates circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients, promoting a healthy glow from within. Celebrated for supporting collagen and elastin production, the very scaffolding of the skin for firmness and elasticity. As production declines with age, castor oil helps rebuild the structure. Skin appears firmer, plumper, smoother over time. Its humectant nature draws moisture from the air and holds it close to the skin. Acting like a nourishing sealant, it locks in benefits and prevents moisture from escaping. An incredibly powerful tool for conditioning and softening dry, dehydrated, and mature skin. Its thick texture, surprising at first, is a sign of concentrated power to deeply condition, heal, and renew. Their true power is unlocked together. Synergy where 1 + 1 becomes so much more. Coconut glides to hydrate and prepare. Castor brings deep, potent regeneration. The ideal elixir, 2 parts coconut oil to 1 part castor oil. Silky, nourishing, and beautifully absorbed without greasiness. Embracing this elixir doesn't require a lengthy regimen. Its beauty is in its simplicity. You can nourish your skin in just 2 minutes, an easy, joyful ritual. The ideal time is evening, after cleansing, when your skin enters repair mode. Warm a small amount of coconut oil between your palms if solid, then add castor oil, keeping a 2-to-1 ratio. Mix to a pool of liquid gold. Inhale the subtle, earthy aroma. This small act of mindfulness transforms a task into a treasured moment of self-care. Using your fingertips, dot the oil onto your face. Forehead, temples, cheeks, nose, chin, and down the neck. Pay special attention around the eyes, crow's feet, between the brows, and around the mouth. Massage with gentle upward and outward strokes. This is a crucial part of the ritual. It stimulates blood flow, encourages lymphatic drainage, and helps the oils penetrate more deeply. Sweep up the neck toward the jawline. Use your ring finger to delicately tap around the eye area. On the forehead, massage upwards from the brows to the hairline. Spend a full 2 minutes, letting warmth and motion melt the oils into your skin. Do not wash it off. Allow this nourishing mask to stay on overnight. Wake to skin that feels unbelievably soft, plump, deeply hydrated, glowing with newfound vitality. The stratum corneum is like a brick-and-mortar wall. Bricks are corneocytes. The mortar is lipids. This lipid barrier keeps moisture in and blocks pollutants, bacteria, and irritants. When compromised, skin becomes dry, sensitive, inflamed, more prone to premature aging. The coconut castor blend works to rebuild and fortify this essential mortar. Coconut fatty acids resemble skin lipids. Your skin incorporates them into its barrier. They patch weak spots, reduce transepidermal water loss, and keep skin plump from within. Like a grape versus raisin, or a balloon re-inflating. Hydration plumps cells and softens fine lines. Ricinoleic acid reaches the dermis, signaling fibroblasts to ramp up collagen and elastin production. Immediate plumping through hydration, long-term rebuilding through collagen. This dual action makes the blend a powerful opponent of crepey skin and wrinkles. The effectiveness of your elixir depends on oil quality. Not all oils are created equal. Choose pure ingredients, cold-pressed, unrefined, hexane-free, to preserve vitamins, antioxidants, fatty acids. Coconut oil, virgin or extra virgin, cold-pressed, unrefined, extracted without heat or solvents. Refined, bleached, deodorized oils are stripped of phytonutrients like polyphenols. Good castor oil is pale yellow, thick, mildly scented. Choose dark glass, store cool and dark, treat oils like fresh produce for pure, powerful nourishment. The classic 2-to-1 ratio is a fantastic starting point, but skincare is infinitely adaptable. Your skin's needs change with the seasons, your lifestyle, and your environment. If oily or acne-prone, lighten the blend. Try 3-to-1 or 4-to-1, and consider a few drops of jojoba or grapeseed. For very dry or mature skin, move closer to 1-to-1 to maximize humectant and collagen-supporting benefits. Add a few drops of avocado or sea buckthorn berry oil, packed with vitamins A and E for extra nourishment. Sensitive or reactive? Keep it simple and go slow. Patch test first. Infuse coconut oil with chamomile or calendula. Optionally, add a drop of German chamomile or lavender essential oil. Apply on slightly damp skin or mist with rose or lavender water. Oil holds onto that extra hydration. A micro-emulsion forms, spreading easier, absorbing better, leaving a velvety finish. After applying oil, use a gua sha or roller to release tension, depuff, and sculpt cheeks and jawline. Mechanical stimulation with the oil's biology creates a more pronounced firming and toning effect. Gently exfoliate once or twice a week to clear a path for deeper penetration. Mix a bit of your blend with finely ground oats or almond flour for a simple, natural exfoliant. The ultimate natural anti-aging secret isn't in a lab, it's in simple oils that align with your skin's biology.